I'm Steve. Hope you're doing just fantastic. This is a great song for beginner finger picking. It's Don McLean's Vincent, also called Starry Starry Night from the 1970s. Really gorgeous. And I'm going to waste no more time. Let's just show you how to play it really fast. It's the intro to the song right here. So it's in G major. And you begin here, any finger, but probably the first one on the open D string. Hammer it on instantly to the second fret of the D string, then the open G. Then hammer it onto the second fret and then hit the open B string. And when you hit the open B, if you can, use your thumb to hit the low G string. So this. And right after that, you can see I picked the open G and open D strings, parts of the G major chord. Then you go like this. Very cool. So you put your second finger on the second fret of the D string, first finger on the first fret of the B string, just pluck those two together and slide it up 2 frets and back down 2 frets and pull it off. So I'm only plucking once, watch this. And then you go back to the G major, sort of pick around and then hit the open B, second fret of the G, open G, second fret of the D, and then A minor. Now, I'm going to play the chords real quickly. You sort of just pluck around the A minor chord with that open B string to a C. And what's cool is if you play a C major, just slide it up 2 frets and you're sort of playing a D major. You can sort of pick around those notes right there. So I could have shown you this. I think that's beyond a little beginner version right there. The main notes are the ones we showed at the beginning. If you do that right there, it's a great beginner exercise and it sounds beautiful. Then you can get into the chords. All right, let me know what you think. I'd love to hear it in the comments and I'll see you around.